Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. In the previous class we have seen examples of exercise 2.4. Today in this video we are going to learn how to do the solution of exercise 2.4 problems. Let us see exercise 2.4 fifth sum. See the question. Find A8 and A15 whose nth term is an is equal to n square minus 1 by n plus 3. N is even, n belongs to natural number. And n squared by 2n plus 1, n is odd, n belongs to natural number. In this question, general term of even number and odd numbers are given. Here we have to find A8 and A15. A8 is even, so use this general term and find the value of A8. And A15 is odd number, so use this general term to find the value of A15. Let us do the solution. Since A8 is even, therefore an is equal to n squared minus 1 by n plus 3. For n 8, therefore A8 is equal to, instead of n you have to apply 8 means we get 8 squared minus 1 by 8 plus 3, that is equal to 64 minus 1 by 11. A8 is equal to 63 by 11. This is the answer for A8. Next, you have to find A15. Since A15 is odd number, therefore an is equal to, here you take down and write odd number general term which is given in your question, that is an is equal to n squared by 2n plus 1. For n is equal to 15, therefore A15 is equal to 15 squared by 2 into 15 plus 1, that is equal to 15 15s are 225 by 30 plus 1. Therefore, the value of A15 is equal to 225 by 31. This is the answer for A15. This is the answer for this question. Let us see the sixth sum of exercise 2.4. See the question. If A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 1 and An is equal to 2An minus 1 plus An minus 2. N greater than or equal to 3, n belongs to natural number. N belongs to natural number. Then find the first 6 terms of the sequences. In this question, first term and second term is given, then general term are also given where n greater than or equal to 3 and n belongs to natural number. Here we have to find first 6 terms of the sequence. Let us do the solution. Take down and write the given. First term A1 is equal to 1 and A2 is equal to 1. Then general term An is equal to 2A n minus 1 plus A n minus 2 n, where n greater than or equal to 3. First 2 terms already given in the question. So we have to start for n is equal to 3. That is A3 is equal to 2A 3 minus 1 plus a3 minus 2, that is equal to 2a 3 minus 1 2 plus a 3 minus 2 1. Here you have to apply that given value, that is 2 into a2 is given in the question, that is 1, and plus a1 also given in the question, that is also 1, which is equal to 2 into 1 2 plus 1. Therefore the value of a3 is equal to 3. Next we have to find for n is equal to 4, that is a4 is equal to 2a4 minus 1 plus a4 minus 2 is equal to 2 into a4 minus 1 3 plus a4 minus 2 2, which is equal to 2 into a3 value 3, so 2 into 3 plus a2 value is given in the question, that is 1, that is equal to 2 3s are 6 plus 1. Therefore a4 is equal to 7. The value of a4 is 7. The next for n is equal to 5, that is a5 is equal to 2 into a5 minus 1 plus a5 minus 2, that is equal to 2 into a5 minus 1 4 plus a5 minus 2 3. Now you have to apply the previous steps value, that is 2 into a4 value 7 plus a3 value 3. Simplify this means we get 14 plus 3, that is equal to 17. Therefore the value of a5 is equal to 17. In this question they are asking 6 terms of the sequence. So next you have to find a6 also. For n is equal to 6, therefore a6 is equal to 2a6 minus 1 plus a6 minus 2, that is equal to 2a5 plus a4. Now you have to apply the previous steps answer, that is a5, that is fifth term is a5 17 plus a4, the value of a4 is 7, which is equal to 2 into 17 34 plus 7 is equal to 41. Therefore a6 is equal to 41. Hence the first 6 term of the sequence is 1, 1, first term and second term values are given in the question, so you take down and write 1, 1, and third term value is 3, fourth term value 7, fifth term value 17, and sixth term value 41. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the fourth sum. See the question. Find the indicated terms of the sequences whose nth term are given by an is equal to 5n by n plus 2. Here you have to find the value of a6 and a13. In this question, nth term is given, we have to find the indicated term, that is indicated term here A6 and A13. This term alone you have to find. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the general term, that is An is equal to 5n by n plus 2. First you have to find first indicated term, that is A6. For n you put 6, that is 5 into 6, then 6 plus 2, that is equal to 30 by 8. Now you have to cancel this by 2 table. Then 4 2s are 8, 15 2s are 30. Therefore, the value of A6 is equal to 15 by 4. This is the answer for first indicated term. Then next you have to find the value of A13. For n you apply 13, that is 5 into 13 by 13 plus 2, which is equal to 13 5s are 65 by 15. Now you have to cancel this by 5 table, that is 3 5s are 15, then 13 5s are 65. Therefore, the value is 13 by 3. Hence, the value of A13 is equal to 13 by 3. This is the answer for this question. Now, we move on to the second subdivision. General term An is equal to minus of n square minus 4. Indicated terms are A4 and A11. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given, that is An is equal to minus of n squared minus 4. Now you have to find the value of A4. For n you put 4, that is minus of 4 squared minus 4, which is equal to minus of 4 squared 16 minus 4 is equal to minus of 16 minus 4, we have 12. Therefore, the value of A4 is equal to minus into plus minus 12. The value of A4 is minus 12. Next, you have to find the value of A11. For n, you put 11. That is, A11 is equal to minus of 11 squared minus 4, which is equal to minus of 121 minus 4. That is, minus of 121 minus 4 is 117. Minus into plus, minus. Therefore, A11 is equal to minus 117. This is the answer for A11. This is the answer for this question. Let us see exercise 2.4, third sum. See the question. Find the nth term of the following sequences. Given that 2, 5, 10, 17 and so on. In this question, sequence are given. We have to find the nth term of the given sequence. Let us do the solution. In solution, first you take down and write the given sequence, that is 2, 5, 10, 17 and so on. You have to observe this sequence. First you have to find the common difference. 2 plus 3, 5, then 5 plus 5, 10, then 5, 7, 17. So here common difference are different. So you have to write the square natural number at the top of the sequence. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Now you have to observe here, adding 1 from this square number means we get the sequence, that is 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 1 5, 9 plus 1 10, 16 plus 1 17. Therefore, the general term an is equal to n squared, square of natural number, plus 1. We know that n always belongs to natural number. So here you put 1 means 1 squared 1, 1 plus 1 2. Then here you put 2 means 2 squared 4, 4 plus 1 5. Next you take 3 for n means 3 squared plus 1, 9 plus 1 10. Then 4 squared means 16 plus 1 17. Therefore, the general term of the sequence is equal to n squared plus 1. So now we move on to the second subdivision. See the second subdivision, the given sequence is 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and so on. First you take down and write the given sequence, that is 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and so on. Here the sequence are in fraction. Here you have to assume by 1. So now you have to observe the numerator means it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that going on. In denominator you put n because here the denominator belongs to natural number. See, in numerator every number 1 less than from the denominator. Here 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2. Therefore, in the general term numerator you have to write n minus 1. We know that n always belongs to natural number. So, for n you take 1 means here 1 minus 1 0 by 1, that is 0. Then for n you take 2 means 2 minus 1 1 by 2, that is second term of the given sequence. Then for n you take 3 means 3 minus 1 2 by 3, that is third term of the sequence. Therefore, the nth term of the given sequence is an is equal to n minus 1 by n. This is the general term of this sequence. Now, we move on to the third subdivision. See the given sequence 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. In solution, first you take down and write the given sequence, that is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. First you have to observe the given sequence. It is increasing sequence. So you have to observe the difference, that is 3 plus 5 means we get second term 8. Then 8 plus 5 means we get third term, that is 13. Then 13 plus 5 means we get fourth term, that is 18. Therefore, here the common difference are equal. So, the nth term is an is equal to 5n. Now, you have to write the nth term above the sequence. We know that n always belongs to natural number. Therefore, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20. Now, you have to observe these two numbers, that is 5 minus 2 means we get 3. 10 minus 2 means we get 8. 15 minus 2 means we get 13. 20 minus 2 means we get 18. Therefore, the general term is 5n minus 2. This is the nth term of this sequence. This is the answer for this question. Now, let us see the homework sums which was given in the previous classes. Exercise 2.4, first sum. See the question. Find the next three terms of the following sequence. In this question, sequence is given. We have to find the next three terms. First you take down and write the given sequence, that is 8, 24, 72 and so on. You have to observe this sequence. See 8, 24, 72. It is 8 multiplied by 3 means we get the second term 24. Then 24 multiplied by 3 means we get the third term, that is 72. Therefore, fourth term also you have to multiply by 3 and find. So, you have to write here each term is multiple of 3. Therefore, the next three term 216, 216, 648, 1944. This is the answer for first subdivision. Now, we move on to the second subdivision. See the given sequence 5, 1, minus 3. You have to observe this sequence. Each term, find the common difference. This is a decreasing sequence. So, 5 minus 4 means we get second term 1. 1 minus 4 means we get third term minus 3, like that going on. Therefore, here each term decreasing by 4. So, the next three terms are minus 7, minus 11 and minus 15. Now, we move on to the next subdivision, that is 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16 and so on. Here the sequence is in fraction. So, you have to observe the numerator and denominator. Here the numerator belongs to natural number and denominator belongs to square number. That is, the denominator is more than one of the numerator and its square number. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 squared 9, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 squared 16. Therefore, next three term 4 by 25, that is 4 plus 1 5, 5 square 25, 5 by 36, that is 5 plus 1 6, 6 square 36. Then next term 6 by 49, that is 6 plus 1 7, 7 square 49. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the second sum. Find the first four terms of the sequence whose nth terms are given. In this question, nth term is given. We have to find first four terms. See the solution. First you take down and write the given nth term, that is an is equal to n cube minus 2. For n you have to put 1, then next you put 2. Similarly, you have to write up to 4. You have to find up to 4 terms. See, for n we take 1 means we get a1 is equal to 1 cube minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2. Simplify this means we get 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. For n 2 means 2 cube minus 2. Simplify this means we get plus 6. Similarly, you have to find third term 25, fourth term 62. Therefore, the first 4 terms of the sequence is -1, 6, 25 and 62. Then second subdivision, first you take down and write the given nth term, that is an is equal to -1 the whole power n plus 1, n into n plus 1. Here also you have to take n 1, 2, 3, 4. See, for n you take 1 means that is a1 is equal to -1 the whole power 1 plus 1, then 1 into 1 plus 1. You have to simplify this means we get 2. Then for n 2 means -1 the whole power 2 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1. Simplify this means we get -6. Similarly, you have to find up to a4. Then the answer is 2, -6, 12 and -20. This is the first 4 terms of the given nth term sequence. Now we move on to the third subdivision. Given nth term is an is equal to 2n squared minus 6. Here also you have to find n for n 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4. For n 1 means a1 is equal to 2 into 1 squared minus 6. You have to simplify this means we get -4. For n 2 means a2 is equal to 2 into 2 squared minus 6 is equal to 2. Similarly, you have to find a3 12, a4 26. Now, the first 4 terms of the sequence is -4, 2, 12, 26. This is the answer for this question. Up to this, we have to complete the exercise 2.4. So, today homework, go through all the sums in exercise 2.4 leisurely and practice it on your rough note. Thank you.